Alright Fletcher, let's see how you get on with this paper 2. Yeah, that's fine. 78 is a good estimate. Try to make your method a little bit less random than that. What you need to be doing is clearly showing me which squares you are including, and basically it's every square that's more than a half full. So by putting sort of little ticks in them and then counting, so I'm including all of those. I'm not including that one. Okay, so I'm clearly showing the examiner which ones I am choosing, whereas you've got some squares there with 2 dots in, some squares with no dots in. It's not a very clear method, but your estimate is okay, so you'll get the marks. Right, with this one you're going to get 1 mark for the straight line parts, but you need to make your curvy bit a little bit more like that than the one that you've done. So if you take a look there, that one is moving in slightly there, so it's more like that, and then the next one, so once you get to there, it's coming across to there, so you're building it up a little bit more smoothly than yours. That's good. 6 for the page. Good. It's important that you label your axes, which you've done. You've taken up plenty of space, so you'll get full marks for that. Excellent. That is correct, and that is correct. -2, good. Right, with this one, there are 2 possible ages of his brother. It depends whether his brother is the eldest or the youngest of the 2. If he's the younger of the 2, then the other brother is going to be 6 years older. But if he's the youngest of the, if he's the eldest of the 2, then the other brother is 6 years younger. In which case it would be x minus 6. So those are the 2 possible. That one's correct. This one is right. You've gone wrong here somewhere. Oh no, there we are. It's there. That's the answer. Okay, now you've embedded it in your workings. What you need to be careful is that you are making sure that whoever's marking this is clear that that is your answer. So finish it with something like, so question mark equals 16, so that it's clear. 4, 8, 11 for that page. That's good. That's good. So what shall I explain that on the video? Good, well done. Very good. Well done. Now with this, you need to construct these bisections. So it isn't enough just to draw them like that. You need to get a compass. And for this one, what you do is you open your compass out and you put a mark on each of the sides of the angle. Then without changing your compass, you move the point to there and draw another arc, and there and draw another arc. And the examiner is looking for that. Without that and that, you aren't going to get the marks. Then to show the bisection, you join up through the angle like that. And similarly with this one, in order to get the marks, you need to show your constructions. For bisecting two of a line, You put the compass point on one end of the line, open your compass so that it's more than halfway, and draw part of a circle. Then without changing your compass, you move the point to the other side, and then you draw another part of a circle, and then the perpendicular line joins like that. So again, without those constructions, you won't get any marks. This is a bearings question. Have a look how I go through that on the video clip. This is trial and improvement. So again, if you go onto the Jones of Sum site and print off some of those and watch me do a few, very quickly you work out how to do them. That's good. So is that. Well done. Again, with that one, have a look how I go through it on the video clip. Right, so 654, 173, 31, 203, 76, 10, 18 is okay. Then you've gone wrong at that point. So here you need to be adding 173. Sorry, that 173 and £30.45 is that value there. What you've done is you've added that into the bill, so it's being charged twice. The total charge there is that, so it's that plus that plus that equals that. Okay, you've added that in twice. Then you've credited those, so you've taken those off to give you a final answer. So of the 6 marks there, you're going to get 5. The only mark that you're going to lose is because you've included that twice. That's good, and that's good as well. Well done. Right, Fletcher, that's quite an impressive paper there. Let's see what that totals. 12, 18, 33, 44, 54, 61, 64, 72, 79. Wow, that's brilliant. So that is a absolutely cast iron grade C. And the questions that you've left out, you haven't got many wrong. The ones you've left out, if you watch me going through those on my video solutions, some of those you'll certainly pick up. So that's really impressive. Well done.